Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Humble, and we are back at it again with another video. This time I got you guys a great alternative to spending hundreds on a neon sign. Let's check it out. So we all know how great neon signs are, but they can be so costly, especially if it's actual neon. That's why we normally go for the LED alternative. It's just not as bright, but it still gives out a very nice effect in your room, studio, living room, wherever you want it. But when I was checking out the pricing, they can go up towards like $200 to like even $600. So I was like, I'm not spending that much. I like to be the budget guy, you know? So I found these great alternatives from like Amazon. Got all the letters and stuff. They only come in one font, so that's the only downside, but I kind of dig the style of these fonts, but they're only about $10 to $15 per letter. I bought enough letters to spell out humble, and they went up to $90, so that's cutting a lot less, like 50% to like what? Like 85% or more. I want to show you guys a little unboxing real quick and show you guys what normally comes in the packages. All right, let's open up one of these guys real quick. So I got 6 letters, humbly, you know that spells humble. So let's open this guy real quick right here. Yeah, I'll have the link in the description for the name of this. I forgot what the brand is, but it's normally just a neon alphabet. You can legit just type in neon letter sign, whatever, and they'll normally pop up. So let's take this bad boy out. The nice little M. Looks pretty clean. It comes with a little battery pack. Takes three AAA batteries, or three AA batteries, I mean. Or an alternative, you can use a USB instead for constant power. The reviews did say that it eats up batteries pretty quick, so that's why I purchased one of these plugs that you just plug into the wall. You can get like a pack of 5 of these for like $12, I believe. And I'll put that link in the description as well. So let's plug this bad boy in real quick and show you guys the lighting. And there you have it, you see? And by the way, they only had 3 different colors from this one that I found specifically, which I kind of got disappointed in because I did want a red one just because it represents my channel, red. But they come in either pink, like this one you see here, blue, or warm white. So I went with pink because I believe that would give such a nicer look to my room and my studio whenever I do gaming with my face cam. And I just thought it was pretty cool, especially for the price. Look how vibrant that is. Hope the camera looks as nice as it is in person, because this is very bright, vibrant. And the other side is blank, of course. And then it's got these 2 little hooks here so that you can hook it up to the wall with nails or screws or pins even. That's what I used on my wall, and I'll show you guys in a second here. Yeah, we got the letter M right there, and check out that booty. My little gnomes, but this is where I'll be hanging up the humbly. You already see I got H and U up there, so let's plug these guys in. That's one. Let's plug in the other. Such a mess. It's pretty vibrant. It spells who. But yeah, in the face cam, I'll show you guys how it kind of will look like. It's about like that angle-ish. I don't know if you guys got a clear shot, but yeah, pretty clean. Got the letter M. I'll have the letter L right here as well to put up. E and B, then spell out humble, and I'll show you guys how that looks. I'm gonna be using these little T-pins. See if the camera can pick that up. Come on, focus. Yeah, it's like the shape of a T. That's what I've been using to hook up these guys. They don't move at all. It's pretty stable. So I can put up the letter M now. I'll show you guys the other letters. Alright, and there you pretty much have it. Spells out humble right there. humbly. Yeah, I forgot to turn this guy on. 13K. Let's get it. But yeah, it looks pretty clean. I love it so much. Look how nice that is. For only $15 per letter, bro. Check that out. But yeah, there you have it. A great little alternative instead of spending hundreds of dollars on a neon sign. We got it right here. Let's check out that angle real quick. Look at that. Humble, so beautiful. Let me straighten that out. Ooh, HUMBLE, you guys already know. But yeah, pick up one of these signs on Amazon. They're only 15 bucks a piece. Pink, blue, warm white. Only one font though, kind of a downside, only 3 colors, but still $15 each. This costed me only $90, literally a fraction of the cost of what actual neon signs would be costing you. But I hope you like this video. Like it up, comment, subscribe. You guys know what the deal is. Everything down, description, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next video.